Okay guys, welcome to another episode of me cooking today. So today we'll be doing a very easy recipe, and most of my recipes are easy. So yeah, very soon I'll be doing sweet and sour fried fish. So let's hope it all turns out well, and once it's all done and said, I'll be uploading a tutorial video on how I did it. Not really tutorial, just a video on how I made it. It's okay to follow, it's not okay for you guys to follow. And yeah guys, moving on, today's recipe is using only 2 potatoes, and we'll be doing hash brown. The reason being is because I've been missing a lot of my breakfast lately. My sleep cycle is all over the place, and also I miss McDonald's hash brown ultimately. So all you have to do is cut the potatoes into multiple pieces. I mean, first thing first is cut them into thin pieces, so you have the hash brown feels like in the McDonald's. And also you can use a grater if you have one at home, which would be easier. And once you've cut it, rinse all the potatoes in a ice cold water. For this purpose I'm using chilled water, which I had refrigerated earlier itself. And once it's all cut and you have rinsed it in the chilled water for 1 to 2 minutes, boil it in the hot water, and also add in about 2 tablespoons of sugar. For 3 to 4 minutes let it boil so that it's a bit soft and also cooked. And also use a cloth to rinse off the excess water. And proceeding, you have to use about 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and in some oregano, some pepper and salt, and mix it. And also you have to add in a little bit of water when you're mixing it, so it will, it has the stickiness to it. And once it's all mixed, make them into hash brown shapes, or whatever shape you like. Could be round or triangle or heart shape, anything. And refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours, or till it's hard at least. And once it's refrigerated, it's hard, remove it from the refrigerator and fry it in hot oil. Make sure you heat up the oil before frying, and fry each side for about 6 to 7 minutes. Flip them occasionally so that you don't overcook one single side. Okay guys, and in about 14 to 15 minutes it would be golden brown, as what you'll see in my hash brown. Actually, I thought it looks kind of like a nugget, but it's a hash brown guys. Anyways, have fun, have a nice day guys.